video, I will show you how to create beta test survey. First, you need to click Add on Google Form and Load Form Template. You can search beta test survey, then just click Load Selected Template, and then you can check the dashboard, responses, question, and setting. Just refresh the page and click Google Form and Get Link, and then just click Continue. Choose your account and then click Advanced, go to Google Form, and then just click Allow here. You will get a link like this. Just copy it and paste it into your search engine. So now the form is ready to use. You can also custom the questions. For example, I want to insert a new row here, and I use text, and just copy the text. And for example, I want to change the question's name like this, and then it will show like this in the form. You can also change the question type, for example date, and don't forget to change this into date too, so it will show like this, so the audience can pick easily from the calendar. You can also delete the row if you don't use it anymore, so it will disappear. Go to setting to change the background color of your form. For example, I change it into blue, so it will show like this. And then for example, I want to add a new style. For the title, I use mark behavior here. Just follow the step, and then scroll amount, I use 25 here, and don't forget to close the code like slash mark, and then go back to your form, and the title is moving now. Thank you.